special!
Let's spin the dino wheel and see which dinosaur we'll make today. There's our friend Sid the dog in the middle. Will it land on the T-Rex, Triceratops, Pterodactyl, or Brachiosaurus? Wow, it's the T-Rex! Open up, T-Rex! Oh no, his teeth are really dirty. Let's clean them. Ooh, dino slime. It's really squishy. I wonder what he's been eating. I see big chunks of meat and bones in his teeth. Let's take them out. There's some meat stuck over here too. Ooh, stinky. What else have we got here? Some bones. There's a leaf cut up here. Let's take that out too. Let's brush his teeth with our toothbrush. Clean teeth help keep our mouths healthy and strong. It's important to brush your teeth every morning and every night. This is looking much better already. We did it! It's clean! Now let's make our T-Rex. Let's paint his tail green. Oh, hi, Sid. You have a tail too. Two big, strong legs. 1, 2. And 2 tiny arms. 1, 2. Let's see which dinosaur is a carnivore who eats meat and which is a herbivore who eats plants. Let's go! Who's gonna eat the meat? Who will eat the plant? Pizza? Dinosaurs don't eat pizza. An ice cream cone? No. Candy floss? No. The green T-Rex is our carnivore, and the blue Brachiosaurus is our herbivore. What's Sid digging for? He has sharp claws. And very sharp teeth for eating meat. He's a carnivore. Now let's mix our green sparkly paint. Green. Look, 3 dino eggs. 1, 2, 3. Let's add our green sparkly paint to give him some finishing touches. Oh, I hear a knock. It's our dino doors. Let's open the green door on the left. There's Sid. He's digging for fossils. Fossils are old dinosaur bones. Bye, Sid. See you later. Now let's open the brown door on the right. Wow, a volcano! A volcano is a mountain that can burst out hot lava, smoke, and ash from inside the earth. It's extremely hot. Let's get out of here. Left. Right. Now let's cut out our T-Rex carefully. And he's done. Wow, he looks great. The T-Rex was big, fierce, and strong. T-Rex. Let's follow Sid to see what's next.